Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we got a 2019 Kia Forte. We're going to go over the process of how you remove this door handle, the door lock actuator, which is the unit right here, which connects to these cables here. These are the handles that you use, or what connects to the handle that you use inside to open and lock the door. And then this has a little electric sensor in here, so when you hit the electric unlock button, this is what they call the door lock actuator that's behind here. We've got 3 bolts to remove here, and then we can pull this out, and then we can also remove this handle. So to start with, you'll pop this cover off, which is this little black cover here, and this covers the screw, this bolt in here. And so then we need to loosen that bolt, and we also need to take this cover plate off here, which you can just put the key in, pull the handle open, and just kind of press up, and then this piece pops off. And once that's done, then you can loosen this It doesn't come all the way, the screw generally doesn't come all the way out, but you just need to loosen it enough that you can pull the locking mechanism out. And the reason we need to pull this out is because this little tab goes into the back of the actuator, and so you won't be able to get the actuator out as easily if you don't remove this. And if you ever change the door because the door was dented or damaged, this piece would be crucial to change so that your key matches to be able to unlock and lock your car. You'll see this little red tab. You'll just need to press it over this way, and that way you can remove that from there, and that makes everything that's undone from the door lock actuator so that we can remove that whole unit as one piece. And then we'll also go over how you remove this door handle if you broke it and need to replace the whole door handle. We've got 3 bolts here to be removed, which are a T30. So with those screws removed, we can just got to bring it up a little bit, and we can pull the whole door lock actuator out and remove it, and buy it. It's all one solid unit to be replaced. And that's how you remove your door lock actuator to be replaced if needs be. So another part of your door handle and latch would be this handle. We're going to go over how you would remove that. So you're going to pull the handle out and then just pull it back toward the back of the car, and that's how the handle releases. And to remove that, and then if there's these pieces are broken inside here, you can just pop these little covers off, right? Undo this bolt here. Hold your hand back in the back there. You don't even need to undo the bolt, you just need to loosen it enough that you can pull it out to the side, and then this way, that's the way you would remove this whole thing. And then just buy the whole new thing to put on there. Like this plastic here can break easily as well, so like when you pull on the handle, you could potentially break this, and then your door won't work and won't unlock the way it needs to from the outside. So you just buy this whole unit as one whole piece, and then you would take it and be able to just put it back on. You just gotta kind of line it from this side. We got a little tab that holds on the outside there. like that, and then tighten the screw back on, that bolt. The rubber cover's back on. There you go. And that's how you remove and install that door handle. Now, the door handle you can do all kind of separate. You do have to undo that little latch from the door lock actuator, and then that can all be done separate, but a lot of times you take it all out, inspect everything if you needed to. So we've got our new, if you have a new door lock actuator, you're just going to put it back into place, back through here. Be able to feed it through there. And you'll see that these three screws are tapered. So you just got to get them started and tighten them in there, and it will set the door lock actuator where it needs to be. And reconnect this, the metal rod back up, flip this red tab back down to make sure that that's in there, because that's when you pull the handle outside, and that's what moves it to open the door. So if you don't connect that, you won't be able to open the door from the outside. Press it through there, get it held in place, and then tighten this bolt back up. And then go ahead and put your cover back on by pulling the handle a little bit out, because you got this tab on the back right there. So you'll need to pull the handle out a little bit, press it into place, and that all locks on. That's how you replace your door handle and your door lock actuator on your 2019 Kia Forte. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.